Have you been learning English for years, but still feel scared to speak? Maybe you know grammar rules, you can read posts, you watch English videos, but when it is time to talk, your mind becomes blank. If this is you, stay with me. In this video, I'll show you a clear step-by-step method to actually learn spoken English, not just grammar from a book. By the end, you will know exactly what to do every day for the next 3 months to improve your speaking. Why grammar is not enough. Most of us learned English in the wrong order. In school, we first memorized grammar rules, then we solved written exercises, and we repeated the same textbook sentences again and again. Because of this, we know about English, but we cannot use English in real life. Spoken English is like driving a car. You cannot learn driving only by reading the traffic rules. You have to sit in the car, feel nervous in the beginning, make small mistakes, and slowly your body learns the movements. In the same way, your mouth, your tongue, and your brain need practice together. So if your goal is spoken English, you must put speaking at the center of your learning plan, not at the side. Step 1. Build a 10-minute speaking habit. The first step is very simple. Decide that you will speak English for at least 10 minutes every day. You don't need a foreign friend. You don't need a teacher. You don't even need another person. You can speak with yourself. You can explain your day, your plans, your feelings, your ideas for content, your dreams, your problems, anything. Take your phone, open the recorder, and talk. In the beginning, you will feel awkward. You will think, my English is terrible, or I sound so funny. That is okay. That is part of the process. The goal of this step is not perfect grammar. The goal is to make speaking English a normal daily activity for you, like brushing your teeth. If you do only this one thing, 10 minutes of speaking with yourself every day, your fear of speaking will already start to reduce. Step 2. Copy and improve method. The second step is to learn from people who already speak well. Choose one English speaker you like. It can be a YouTuber, a movie character, a podcast host, or a teacher. Now, use a very powerful technique called shadowing. Here is how it works. Play one short clip, maybe 10 to 20 seconds. Listen carefully one time without speaking. Play it again, and this time pause after every sentence. Repeat the sentence exactly like them, same words, same rhythm, same emotion. You don't have to be perfect. But when you copy them, your mouth learns new sounds, your ear learns natural sentences, and your brain collects real-life phrases. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes every day, and you will feel your pronunciation and your natural sound improving slowly. Step 3. Simple vocabulary for real life. Many learners try to memorize 100 new words in one day, and then they forget almost everything after 1 week. For spoken English, you don't need very advanced fancy words. You need simple words that you can use again and again in real life. Here's a better method. Choose 5 to 10 new words or phrases in one day. Make your own example sentences that are true for your life. Then say those sentences aloud 3 to 5 times. For example, if you learn the phrase deal with, you can say, I deal with a lot of distractions while studying. I am learning to deal with my fear of speaking English. When you connect the word with your real experience, and you speak it aloud, you remember it much faster and you can use it when you talk. Step 4. Think in English. Another big problem is translation. Many learners first think in their native language, then they try to translate every sentence into English in their head. This makes speaking very slow and stressful. You don't have to force yourself to think 100% in English from day one. Instead, start small. For one daily activity, like making tea or getting ready in the morning, describe what you are doing in simple English in your mind. Use very basic sentences. I am washing my face. I am looking for my notebook. I'm opening my laptop. You can also change your phone language to English or set your social media apps to English. When you see English every day in small ways, your brain slowly becomes more comfortable with it, and translation reduces naturally. Step 5. Correct mistakes the smart way. Some people become so scared of making mistakes that they stop speaking at all. Other people speak a lot, but they never check their mistakes, so they repeat the same errors for years. You need a balance. Here is a smart way to correct yourself. Record yourself speaking for 1 to 2 minutes. Listen again and write down what you said like a small transcript. Mark the parts that sound strange or wrong. Check those sentences in a dictionary, a grammar book, or with an English-speaking friend or teacher. Choose only 2 to 3 mistakes to focus on each week. For example, this week you work on I am agree and change it to I agree. Next week, you work on using the past tense correctly. Step by step, your accuracy will improve without killing your confidence. Step 6. Use topics you truly love. You are much more likely to practice if you enjoy the topic. If you love psychology, speak about emotions, habits, overthinking, relationships, and confidence. If you love content creation, talk about your video ideas, your audience, the algorithm, and your dreams as a creator. Make a simple list of 10 topics you care about. Every day, pick one topic and speak for 5 to 10 minutes about it in English. Because you already have ideas in your mind, you will not feel empty when you start. You will only need to find the English words, not new ideas. When the mind is interested, the mouth works better. Step 7. Create small speaking challenges. To grow faster, create tiny challenges for yourself. These are small actions that push you a little outside your comfort zone, but not too much. For example, this week I will order something in a cafe or shop in English. This week I will send one short voice note in English to a friend. This week I will join one online English speaking room or practice group. This week I will record a 30-second English reel or YouTube short. Every time you complete a small challenge, your brain gets proof. I can do this. I did not die. People understood me. Slowly, your fear reduces, your confidence grows, and English becomes a tool, not a monster. Daily 15-minute routine you can follow. Now, let me put everything into one simple routine you can follow every day. Warm up and shadowing, 5 minutes. Choose one short clip from a YouTube video, podcast, or movie. Listen and repeat the sentences. Copy the rhythm and pronunciation. Free speaking, 5 minutes. Take your phone and talk about your day, your feelings, or one topic you like. Do not stop for grammar, just keep going. Vocabulary and correction, 5 minutes. Choose 5 useful words or phrases from something you watched or read. Make your own sentences and say them aloud. If you can, quickly check 1 or 2 mistakes you made earlier. If you can give only 15 minutes, do this. If you can give 30 minutes, repeat the cycle twice. What matters is not the length, but the consistency. Mindset. Be kind to yourself. Finally, remember this learning spoken English is not a one-week project. It is a journey. You will have good days and bad days. Some days your words will come easily. Other days, you will feel stuck and frustrated. On those difficult days, talk to yourself like a friend, not an enemy. Instead of saying, I am stupid, I can't speak, say, I am learning. I made some mistakes today, but I showed up and practiced. Your brain learns better when it feels safe, not when it feels attacked. So be kind, be patient, and celebrate small progress, one new word used. One short conversation, one video recorded. So, how can you learn spoken English? Not only by studying grammar, but by speaking every day, copying good speakers, learning real words for your life, thinking slowly in English, correcting yourself step by step, and choosing topics you truly love. If you follow the daily 15-minute routine and you stay consistent for at least 90 days, you will hear the difference in your own voice. You will be more confident, more natural, and more relaxed when you speak. If you found this helpful, you can save this video and start your 90-day spoken English journey from today. You can also tell me in the comments, what is the biggest problem you face in spoken English right now? I will read your answers and create more videos to help you.